Today I'm going to show you how to draw a dagger. So start with a straight line and then come to one side and then get closer and closer and closer and closer. So that's the middle of the blade, and then these are the edges of the blade, and they want to get closer and closer until they kind of meet at the bottom in a daggery, jaggy point. This is the top of the blade, and then we want to draw the hilt. Anyway, the bit that protects your hand from being stabbed back again. So draw two little curves like that coming around, and then we want to come and do a very sort of thin line which is kind of follows it all the way around, and then another one coming around behind there and another one coming around behind there. Now here we want to draw two curves which make up the handle with a little curve at the top, and then a kind of little sausage and a little bobble on the end. And then we can draw a curve and a curve and a curve, and then the other way a curve and a curve and a curve, and that will give us a bit of sort of binding on the handle. You might want to put little spots in the middle which could be diamonds, or it could make it look like a pineapple. And then all we need to do is a few little kind of metal shiny marks like that, and there you go, how to draw a dagger. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, 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 and I'll see you again next time. You take care now. Bye bye.